What's that?
I don't know. Hey, I see a car sale.
Selling cars. Selling cars.
Hey, let me look.
Okay, there you go.
Selling a blue and an orange car.
Hey, I see a car sale too.
Car sale. I'm gonna be first.
No, I'm gonna be first.
No, I'm gonna be first. No, wait. I want to be first.
No, I want to be first.
No, I want to be.
Selling cars, guys. Hey, selling cars.
I was Owen.
No, I want
No,
Owen.
I. No, you're not. You're not. I want.
Stop. You was first.
Yes, I can have orange. Here you go.
I wanted orange.
And your money. Thank you. Ah, nice. Okay, guys, enjoy your cars. Haha.
Let's go.
Yay, my turn. Jason, help me, please! Jason, help me!
Yes, I can help you. Let's look. I see it. Coming. Yes, I got it. Yay!
Thank you, Jason. Pull me, Jason! Thank you! Thank you, Jason.
You're welcome.
Because you helped me, you can have this lolly.
Wow, thank you. Delicious. I win this one.
Bye!
Yay! Yeah! Yippee! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Uh-oh! I can't lift it myself! Jason, help! Jason, help me! Help me, Jason, help! Uh-oh! Jason!
Oh no! What's happened? Let's go! Please help!
Help! Look!
Okay, let's help.
Thank you for coming, Jason.
I'm gonna help you now.
Good job. Now that side.
Okay. Okay.
Right. Whoa. Come on, you can do it. Come on.
Yes, I did it!
Thank you so much for helping me. Now you can have this lolly.
Yay! Oh yeah!
Ah, finally, I have my step back. Jason, we should mow the grass.
Okay, let's go!
Oh no! Oh no! Jason, look what we did! Jason, we have to repair everything.
Yes, and the other house too.
Oh no! Let's put the working clothes on. Yeah!
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay, okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, what's happened to the house?
Yeah, it's not good.
No.
Oh, what's that? It's a snake! Is the snake gone?
Yes, I hope so.
Okay, okay. Okay, let's put the house nicely now. Perfect.
Yes.
Nice flowers. Okay.
Wow!
All the houses are perfect.